everyone, I'm Dean with Veloci Performance Products. Today I'm excited to talk to you about the MTM Hydro GHF1 Garden Hose Foamer, a fantastic tool for all your cleaning needs. This garden hose foamer is designed to make your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient without the need of getting out your full pressure washer setup. It's perfect for washing cars, patios, and even your outdoor furniture. One of the best features of the garden hose foamer is the ability to mix soap and water effortlessly. Just fill the container with your favorite cleaning solution, attach it to your garden hose, and you're ready to go. The adjustable intake also allows you to control the foam output, giving you the flexibility to tackle different surfaces. Whether you need a light mist or a thick foam, this foamer has you covered. The garden hose foamer also comes standard with a stainless steel garden hose coupler and plug, and the wide mouth bottle makes filling with soap and water clean and easy. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for everyone from beginners to seasoned cleaning pros. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to clean, the MTM Hydro GHF1 Garden Hose Foamer is a tool for you.